Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. I am Ikra LinkedIn Wali, Head of Interview Department and also a facilitator at Rahani School, Korangi campus. As you guys know, we are attending a AI teacher training boot camp where we learn some tasks and some basic skills, and also that where we learn lots of things like how to connect with the students and how to connect emotionally with the students. So today we have a task, and the task is related to Today we have a task, and the task is related to Gemini. Basically, it's a task number 4, and where we learn that what is Gemini and how to use it. Basically, Gemini is an artificial intelligence tool, and it's an advanced artificial intelligence tool. It works like ChatGPT, like it gives in images, it helps us to create sheets and softwares, and it helps us to give us some codes. So let's get further delay. I am sharing with you some Gemini step. First, you have to sign up Gemini account on your mobile. You have to download it on Play Store and from Google. Wherever you want, you can download it. And obviously, it's for both mobiles, yet like it's for Android and it's for iPhone, iOS, and for laptops also, and you have to download it and sign up your account. Okay, so what can we do on Gemini? Like we can create articles with the help of Gemini, and also some solving some errors, and also use it for calculations, and we can use it to summarize the articles and for a learning purpose also. And it's for like if you wish to learn something, some subject, and if you wish to learn math, science, and everything, so you can use Gemini for this. And you know what, Gemini is a very powerful tool. Like it answers your every questions. Like whenever you are stuck in a math question, so you have to put your all the syllabus or all the page or all the stuff on Gemini, and they will be resolved in just a seconds. If your internet is good, so definitely it will be solved in a seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you that how to use a Gemini. Like how to use it. First of all, you have to sign up. First of all, you have to download a Gemini. If you want to in a Chrome, so you can sign up. If you have a laptop, Chromebook, Android mobile, iOS mobile, it's available on all devices. It's available on Google Play Store, and you can just sign up and then start using it. And obviously for sign up you need a Gmail account, and if you don't have a Gmail account, so you have to put your all data to Gemini, and then they will be created your account. And one is the most powerful and most asking question, like is Gemini is free? So yes, the Gemini have a free version also and the paid version also. The paid version have some more advanced features, but the free version have also features which helps you to creating to solving problems and to creating new things. So kindly use Gemini. It doesn't looks like a chat GPT, but it works like a chat GPT, and it's a very powerful and very user friendly artificial intelligence tools. I love to use Gemini, and it works for me. I give a 10 out of 9 marks to a Gemini because it helps me a lot in every situations wherever I stuck. Like if I stuck here in creating a video, so it helps me to improve my English also. Whenever I stuck somewhere, it helps me to creating videos. It helps me to how to interact with a guest, how to talk with a guest. So it give us a script also. I love to use it, and I want that everyone in Pakistan and in country where a technology exists, that all people should have to use this because it is very amazing. And I hope you find this video very helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video. And lots of take care of yourself from my side. Thank you so much for watching it, and bye bye.